Good morning. How are we? Right, well, it's good to be back out in the Peak District, finally, after 3 or 4 weeks of sciatica. Anyway, not pushing it too far today, so I've got a lovely little walk, revisit a few places that I've been to quite a few times. One, we're starting off, we're dropping down into Ashford on the Water. Now, as some of you know, it is one of the most picturesque villages in the country, if not in the Peak District. So we'll drop down into that. Then we'll come back out, head up to Sheldon Magpie Mine, and then if we get a chance, we're going to head over to Kildale. But it all depends on the leg and the time and everything else, because the bus was late this morning. So yeah, it's a bit cloudy, but it's a nice day overall. So yeah, it's nice to be back out. Shall we go?
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us win. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us win. This treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us win. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world.
Right, so that was very, very beautiful Ashford on the Water. Yeah, very special place for me, that one is. Absolutely adore it there. And last time I went, weather was better than this, the sun was out and I was sat by the river. So yeah, I'll get all the information up there for you, and I'll also do the same for Magpie Mine. Not sure about Kildale today, so I might do that in a few weeks again when the weather's even better than this, because it's lovely at the moment. So yeah, I'm now heading uphill, so it's going to be a slow walk, because if I pull my muscle, that's it, I've stopped it. Anyway, yeah, we're off to Sheldon, and as I said before in previous videos, it's not Big Bang Theory, we're not going to Penny either, so don't get your hopes up. So yeah, shall we go?
It's time to make a switch, just open your
Right, so just nearly somewhat at the top, taking my time, but as you can see down there, Ashford and Water, and just if you get the finger pointing right, that little head bit there, that's the start of where you see come around into the Monsell Trail, Monsell Head, because obviously the River Wy's down there. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. But anyway, yeah, the views are going to start opening up now, and then you'll see why I like doing this bit, a little bit of a walk, because this back road that goes along the views are absolutely fantastic. Anyway, wish me luck to get to the top. Right, tarmac, or whatever. So, this road will drop down, and then it can go right over Kirkdale, the road that goes through there, and then back up Sheldon. And if you think that hill was a bit of a climb, you wait to see the short, sharp steep at the road in Sheldon. Even my legs kill me, and I'm an experienced walker of many, many years. But we'll show you when we get there. Nice, beautiful back lanes. This is what I love. But why on earth has all these trees been chopped down? Is it some sort of forest management programme, or does somebody with a bit of money want a house and don't give a shit about nature? Wouldn't surprise me, but if I'm wrong, please tell me. I did see a sign for something to do with Chatsworth, I think it was, so it might be part of their estate. I'll see if I can find out anyway. Me again, right. In the last video, I did say the format I was doing them on, all these YouTube ones, will be changing. It's not going to be drastic, but it's going to be more informative, stuff like that. So this will probably, most probably, because it's only short walk to get my legs going. The next one, I've got a couple, but we'll see what's what. So it will be a lot different to what you're used to, and be a lot more informative. Not just me walking around gas bagging on about anything and everything, even though I'm doing it now. So yeah, so it will be changing. You'll see subtle differences, and then you might see massive changes, or what, I don't know yet. But I've changed a few things, like the under banner and everything on the YouTube page. So yeah, thanks to all the new followers, really is appreciated. I'm just going to keep going, posting videos, shorts, everything like that, funny memes, you know, usual thing, but obviously these ones as well, to try and get people inspired on to get out to see these places that you wouldn't normally go to. Plus now I'm going to start pushing my mental health awareness a bit more, so it's good for me up there as well. Anyway, we're going to start heading down towards Kirkdale now, and then break your legs time going up that road to Sheldon. Doesn't look it, but trust me, it's steep, and it seems to go on and on and on until you get to the brow of the hill, and then you reach Sheldon. Right, made it to the top. I forgot how long this climb was. Anyway, views again, absolutely breathtaking, and behind me, Sheldon. And have a look. That was Sheldon. Very, very pretty little place. Only things that's there, farmhouses, houses, pub and a post box. That's it. Ideal. Absolute bliss. And the Magpie Mine. Right, crack on. There we are, Magpie Mine. Have a quick pit stop here and see what plans are from there, because don't want to push it to the last bus, because if that last bus don't turn up, I'm screwed. So I'll probably head back into Bakewell, do a bit of a walk around, get some photos and that. But yeah, I'm glad I come out. An absolutely belter of a day. These old ammunition stores, and they did the job quite effectively. I think there was, if I remember rightly, there was one over there somewhere. We'll have a look. But yeah, these were ammunition stores as far as I'm aware, and they did the job really well, because obviously you can imagine there'd been a few accidents. So yeah, let's have a quick walk around it. Job that's filled in. Ooh, cinematic. Oh. Would you like a room with the view, sir? A hell of a view as well. Yeah, September. Sure, I've passed that one before. Leave these on here so you can read it. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh. So, there's Magpie Mine. Now we'll go that way left and then see if we can find this Bowl Hill trig point. No guarantees, because last time it was all blocked off, but somebody said you can get to it now. But we'll see. Anyway, onwards and no, probably back downwards now. Now, if I remember rightly, this is Kirkdale anyway. I've now got to get up that bloody hill. I'm stuck of punishment on, but yeah, hopefully Old Hill is just over there somewhere. But yeah, that's the quickest way to it. Yeah, we'll see. Well, there you go, halfway up this hill. Knackered, so I'm having a quick rest. And that is Kirkdale. From earlier on when we went up and round Sheldon, over Magpie Mine, come over and back down this way. Very pretty little spot. But if you're walking up this side, it's steep. So prepare your legs for it. Right, well, getting up on Bowl Hill trig point. It's over there somewhere, but it all seems to be walled off, and I'm not clambering over walls. But as you know, just got on sciatica. But yeah, it's been a lovely walk, beautiful day, absolutely amazing views as usual. Well, I couldn't ask for a better. Somebody's been watching over us today, and I just hope you're getting another idea for another walk. If you want to know any more information on it, or the route and that, I am going to probably start recording in them on All Trails or whichever app. If you recommend one, by all means. Most of my routes are in there. Yeah, it's going to be a different video format, as I said, and things are changing, only slightly here and there, but all for the better. I put all the information down for Magpie Mine, if there's anything on Sheldon, Ashford and Water, stuff like that. Because it's a beautiful place, really worth visiting. And Sheldon, as you've seen, is just houses, postbox and a pub. What more does a man want? But anyway, I put all the links down for the socials as well at the bottom. And yeah, till next time, stay safe.